Good Friday morning if you're watching this live, and if you're watching the recording, what's going on in your future and my past? Okay, I have my Tiger King badass cheetah print from China hat on. I paid $9.50 for this hat, and I know it looks like it's worth a lot less than that. Okay, but I'm digging it. It reminds me of the 80s when everyone was wearing spandex and poison videos. Okay, so it is Friday morning as I'm producing this bad boy vid, okay? And coming up in within the hour, we're going to have a live Firestarter Friday LiveGood meeting, okay? Now, what does that mean? It means Ben Glinsky, Nader Kazan, and Ryan, and his wife Lisa, the Goodkin, by the way, they do a Friday meeting. It's about 60 minutes long, and all four of them talk, okay, about products, what's coming out, how many people have ranked up and banked up, as they say, and have joined the company, product sales, what countries are new, and who's kicking butt. Okay, the top five have been America, China, Philippines, Vietnam, even South Korea, okay? But this Friday, in about an hour, it's a little different. Ben, I think, is out of town, he said. I know Ryan and Lisa are in Scotland. So with this special Friday, Firestarter Friday, Nader Kazan, he's going to host it, okay? And he'll do fine because every Wednesday he does a really nice, about a 30, sometimes 40-minute session on how to recruit, what to tell people, okay? What you should and should not do to be successful and live good. Okay, how to buy the products, how to be a member, how to become an affiliate. It's a really easy process. And what I tell my downline and anybody watching my videos, just get a domain and forward it to the LiveGood capture page. Now, there's a lot of things coming out in the future. There's a marketing system. There's an email campaign. There's a co-op that you can go through LiveGood and probably rock and roll if you're a little shy, if you don't know what to do on, God, let's just say Facebook. Or you don't want to do TikTok or videos like you're watching now. It's nice if you have a couple extra bucks and you can buy traffic, buy leads. These are people looking for an opportunity, usually how to make money online or on their computer, on their cell phone. It's all in the same swimming pool, okay? And I don't know if Nader is going to say anything about this marketing system. I tend to think that Ben is going to want all four founders on one call, okay, before he debuts this whole marketing system, because a lot of people are waiting for it. I know most of my downline can't wait. And there's 1.5 million other people that probably are really interested about this marketing system. As of right now, Ben says it's going to be in about a week or two. Okay, and like I said, I got to look at my computer. Today is October 18th of 2024. So if you're watching this video in the future of when I'm producing this thing, the marketing system is probably already out. But if you're watching this live or today's recordings, let's just kick back and see what's up. I have a funnel system that I use. Somehow it works. Okay, if you're interested in it, get a hold of me. Okay, if you want to join LiveGood, go to joincory.com. And I'll tell you everything I do, from where I get my business cards at Vistaprint, where I get my domain names for $11, GoDaddy, and how I forward to the LiveGood capture page. And I just let the videos do everything. I like to do videos like this because it makes me feel like I'm actually doing something. But when people join, and I earn money every Thursday because we get paid every Thursday, and thank you, by the way, to my downline. I love getting the pay, okay? I put the time and effort in, mostly by video and posting on Facebook. I do make some business cards, and I hand them out now and then on a street level. But my favorite way to promote is just by talking to you fine folks, okay? I have other multiple streams of income, okay? Not just LiveGood. And my other businesses drive traffic and sunshine to LiveGood. I make money at LiveGood and my other four opportunities. So I have 5 incomes, and they all complement each other like a taco shell, meat, cheese, salsa. How about a hot fudge sundae? Ice cream, Okay, hot fudge, whipped cream, maybe cherry on top. Okay, I like to have multiple things going on. I like to go fishing with 5 fishing poles. I like to go on the Titanic too with 5 life jackets, and I want to know that there's 5 lifeboats per person. I overkill it. I do. Okay, and it doesn't eat up all day. To run 5 businesses, most of them I just set up. I just simply set up and I'm done. If you want to see my funnel system, go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, I make money with the funnel system. I make money by people buying leads and traffic from a great company called Traffic Authority. And people obviously sign up with LiveGood and buy education. Okay, there's 4 incomes in 1 click. And if you want to know what I do, get a hold of me. It's all affordable and it's fun and it's easy in my opinion. Pleasewatchvideo.com. And if you want to look into the mighty LiveGood, go to joincory.com. Okay. All right. Well, let's get ready for the Friday, Firestarter Friday Zoom. It's live. Okay. And Nader Kazan is going to host it. I'm going to show you guys. If you are in LiveGood and you want to know the live webinars that we do, see where it says webinars here off to the left of my screen. Just click it and you can see on your screen, don't click watch previous calls. Okay. That is all the past Zooms recorded. You want to hit this one here right above where it says YouTube for Mondays, Wednesdays. Let's just scroll down to Friday. See? Rank, recognition, the nickname is Firestarter Friday. And to watch it live, go ahead and just bookmark this. The Zoom link is the same every Friday at noon Eastern, okay? And if you want to watch previous ones, you just click this little watch previous calls and see what they do. They put all the previous Firestarter Friday calls right here on their own page, okay? And that goes for all the other Thursday, you know, the cutoff Zoom, and Wednesday with Nader's teachings, and Monday with Dr. Ryan and Lisa where they talk about products. If you want to watch any of the past videos, just go right here. Watch previous calls. See that? It's right above every thumbnail. Okay? All right, that'll do it. Okay, let's get excited. Maybe Nader will talk about the marketing system. If not, I sure will. I update my downline and I make a video once or twice a week about the marketing system. It's by far the #1 question I get week after week. Okay. All right, guys, thank you. Okay, for watching my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hope to see you guys on the live Firestarter Friday call coming up at noon Eastern in just a few short minutes. See you guys. Bye.